And I have here the ACURIT 0.05 technical pen. Now, this pen, I've done a couple of drawings on this channel with it, but today we're going to be doing some drawing in my Strathmore sketchbook with this pen. Now, I felt the sudden desire to start drawing and do more doodles with technical pens that I have in the recent months. So because of that, what we're going to do today is we're going to uncap this pen, and the next adventure that we're going to go on is taking this pen and doing the task of intricately drawing tiny little doodles in my sketchbook until I feel satisfied from the lines that I have made, and then from that point I shall continue doodling and doodling until the sketchbook is done. Now, the sketchbook that I currently have right now is about 90% complete. It's almost done, but not quite. And as you can see here, this pen, maybe you can tell a little bit, but some of the letters are starting to wear off, just slightly. But we're gonna go ahead and start some doodling now, and if you want, you can draw along, or you can just watch. That's completely up to you. Or maybe you can just listen while you're doing something like the dishes or making food, or you can just listen while you're drawing. But today we're going to be doing some little intricate doodles with this pen now. So let's go ahead and see what we can get ourselves into here.